First create some screens. Then we need to import the necessary module from React and React Navigation. Import the screens. Then inside the default function app, we're gonna return the navigation container, tab navigator, and the screens. After that, we need to create two components, custom tab and icon tab. Inside both tabs, we're gonna put simple React Native function. Importing a component that we have created and bottom tab props from React Navigation. As we are working with TypeScript, we need to define types. Then we're gonna create an arrow function with bottom tab bar props and returning the component that we have imported with these props. Inside the tab navigator, the main task is to pass the custom tabs props in tab bar props. Search for React Navigation in your browser. Go to Navigator, scroll to tab bar props. You can copy it and paste it inside custom tab component. By modifying it, you can create your custom tab components. We're gonna modify it. Go to custom tab, import necessary module from React and React Navigation, create a default function with necessary props, create a tab bars, style with no width. We're gonna get width of the device, make it the tab bar width. In slide variable, we're gonna divide the tab bar width by route.length. Now we're gonna create the animation. Use effect hook will fire the animation as state.index changes. Let's style the tab bar with device width. We're gonna create two views for our SVG. We're gonna animate the second one. State.route.map function with route and index property. Create on long press. On press is focused. Then return touchable opacity with these properties. Make sure you gave a key. Inside touchable opacity, you can render your icon. For rendering icon, we have created a custom component. We're gonna pass some props in that component. We are ready to render the icon. import necessary module, and define the prop types. In default function, we're gonna pass those props, create a variable that changes with route.names, and we'll return this.